Got a new chair so I can lean back. But today I'm gonna go over stock Dow, not Dow Jones, Dow Incorporated, Dow Inc., whatever you want to call it. They're in chemicals. Their specialty is plastics. It's a beautiful PE, 6.66. It's 69% below the market multiple, which is currently 21.13. It's got a 5.45 dividend yield. It's not too big, 36 billion market cap. Usually around the times like these, mid cap companies can be a good place to hang out. So anyways, let's look at the main chart. So when we just look at the weekly, and right now all I have marked is the all-time low VWAP in orange and the all-time high VWAP in purple. So it's really that's obviously March 2020. Oh, don't want to do that. So you can see it got stopped by it, not to the penny, but pretty close. So it's been kind of fighting with this here. So it does have to get past 57 to really reach escape velocity. But when we look at the daily, everybody had an ugly day, so kind of throw that out and don't really pay attention to that because that's just going to confuse you. So actually I'm going to delete these so I can not have too many lines on the chart so you can see the moving averages. So when I look at the daily, I prefer the moving averages. VWAPs help, when you're trying to see where the magnet's at, I guess you could say. What I like about this, I don't like that the 20 days flattening. I do like that the 50 days curling up, 100 days flattening, 200 days starting to flatten. But I guess, one of my favorite formations, I did try to call one on Tesla the other day last week or whatever, and it broke through the right shoulder. But this is kind of what I see personally. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And I like when the RSI holds 50. So it hasn't fully given it up yet. That's just one bad day. So with the moving averages like that, and the other things I like to look at are the stock relative to the SPY, so the S&P 500, and relative to its own sector. So Dow relative to the S&P, God damn it, Dow relative to the SPY. So it's kind of got a nice bottoming formation here. So it was industrials were obviously leading the pack with energy for a while. Energy's still doing well, but that kind of ended. Well, not kind of. So when we see that, that's a good sign. That means this is in a time like this where there's going to be chop. You want to be a stock picker. You don't want to buy. Indices are always good. Warren Buffett always says the best way to start is an S&P 500 index fund, but in order to truly have some alpha and outperform the market, you need to pick stocks that are going to outperform the SPY. So in terms of it relative to the industrials, somewhat similar, not as beautiful. I would consider more of a kind of a consolidating. So maybe more like this. So this is one of those things where I maybe wouldn't play with options, but I would start to DCA and load the boat, for the eventual takeoff, and also to collect that dividend. Yep, that's all. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.